Construction of a mango processing plant in Tana River to boost mango production in the country. The 200 million shillings factory, which will be managed by Coast Development Authority, is expected to reduce mango post-harvest losses and generate employment opportunities for the locals.
Tana River is one of the country's mango growing regions, with farmers grappling with post-harvest losses due to lack of a ready market for their produce. To reduce post-harvest losses, the national government has commissioned the construction of an integrated 200 million shillings mango processing plant in Hola.
Lakini kwa ujumla, factory hii imekuwa ni kitu tumekuwa tukifanyia msukumo sana ili iweze kuwasaidia wakulima kuendeleza soko lao.
The plant has a capacity to process 30 metric tons of mangoes a day.
Capacity of this machine is that it can crush 1 ton of mangoes per hour.
Coast Development Authority says once complete, the plant will employ 30 people directly and an additional 2,000 indirectly.
Ambao kwa serikali imechukua na maembe ambao kwa tunaweza kuvuna hapa, hatuhitajiki tena kusafirisha mpaka Nairobi na sehemu zingine. Kama vile mnavyojua, wakulima hapa hawana magari, wakulima ni maskini.
Mango processing factory is expected to spur mango value addition in the area, as it will be upgraded to a multi-fruit processing plant once it starts operations.
Hii ndio mwanzo. Tunataka kuhamasisha serikali ili wawekeze zaidi pesa ambao kwa tunaweza kupanua factory hii ili kuchukua maembe yote ya Tana River.
Farmers have been encouraged to increase mango production to ensure the factory has a steady supply of raw materials. The facility is part of projects being initiated by the national government in the area that will also include construction of tanneries and cottages in a bid to reduce poverty and income inequality in the region. Benson Rioba reporting for Lunchtime News.